Welcome to M2TruckerZ's Uploading Legal Documents tutorial. We captured images of all the documents we needed in the Registering and Client tutorial. These are the only types of images you can upload: JPEG, PNG, or GIF. You should have already gathered the following documents: driver's license or state identification card. You only need a copy of the front, but make sure you can see the entire driver's license and make sure you have a clear, legible image. Social Security card, or one of the following documents that show your Social Security number. First page of your tax form, passport, or green card. You only need a copy of the front, but make sure the entire front of the document is in the image and that it is a clear, legible image. Proof of address. For this, you will choose a document showing proof of your address: street number, street name, city, state, zip. Remember, this can be a current utility bill, insurance bill, or similar bill. The image must show the company the bill is from, as well as your name and complete address. This needs to match your current address. You can also use a bank statement. Just black out the account number and routing number. This is important to complete your profile. This document is sent out with each mailing to corroborate who you are to the credit agencies. Now on the client profile page, scroll about halfway down to the area that states Upload documents here. Allowed file types: JPEG, PNG, or GIF. The first block on the left is photo identification. This is where you will upload your driver's license or state identification card. You will see an image of a cloud with an arrow pointing up. Click on the image and upload your driver's license or ID card. If you made an error and uploaded the wrong document, you can click on the trash can with a lid, and it will delete it. You can upload and delete the same way in all the blocks. The second block from the left is where you upload the image of your Social Security card or other document you chose from that list. The third block from the left is where you upload your proof of address. This will be an image of the document you chose from that list. This area is only if you are having to provide additional documentation. Otherwise, you do not need to upload anything in these areas. Once you have completed uploading all three documents, then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the blue Save button. Now you should see in the top green bar, Client Profile has been updated successfully. Once completed, go back to the upload area, and you should have 3 clear images of the required documents. Take the time to make sure that each of these images are clearly legible. Otherwise, the credit bureaus could send back a letter stating they could not identify you by your documents. These documents will be attached to each round of letters that go out to the primary and secondary credit agencies. This proves who you are and what you are disputing on your credit. If it is not clear, they can't identify you, which makes the letters useless. Now you have completed the uploading of the required documents, which completes the process on the client profile. We will see you in the next tutorial to go over uploading your credit report from My Free Score Now. See you there!